What's up, everybody? Me, Michael McCune from Mike Myers Show, coming at you with another video. And I apologize for being gone for so long. I'd be going through some shit. My mental health is not all there. But it's a little better now. Figured why not make a video for y'all. I was thinking about y'all today, and I'm like, wow, haven't made a video for a while, and I need to get my shit back together. I'm not a quitter. I'm not gonna quit on y'all. If I was ever gonna quit YouTube on y'all, I would let y'all know. I would make a video like that in a heartbeat. But that's not how it is. So today is a different video. It's an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in for so long. I know a lot of people like them, a lot of people don't. Hope you guys enjoy this one. To me, this is like a little special unboxing because it's, it wasn't the last unboxing I did was the Xbox Series S, I think, if I'm not for sure, but enough. Anyways, I got, these are mystery packages you can buy on eBay, and they're supposed to be real haunted items that these people investigate all the time on eBay. So shout out to whoever I bought this from, but anyways, got a little ghost sticker right there. Gotta hide the information on here. Thank you, Paranormal Post. Activity warning. So this is supposed to be legit, huh? Oh, I already hear something glass. But you can see what it says on the back right there. Got a cool sticker. So go ahead and open this bad boy. I'm kind of excited for what's inside, honestly. Oh, so we got us well, these are the stuff we got so far. We got Royal Opera House Covent Garden Opera Seasoning 1957. Got this right here. You can't tell it is old, it looks legit. I'll be doing an investigation on every single one of these, so. But right now I'm just showing you what they are, what they look like. They're like little booklets. So I don't know where they found this at. It could have been an abandoned garden center. Who knows? The Journal of Major George Washington, sent by the Robert Denwell, Lieutenant Governor and Commander-in-Chief of Virginia. So we got the Journal of Major George Washington. You can tell, look how old this is, man. So far, the items are looking pretty cool. This is just a journal. Oh, that's cool. You got that right there. yeah, these are so far really cool. Both of these are. Um, they have bigger packages. You can get a $100 one. Let's show y'all something new, something different. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at these old papers, y'all. I don't know. Some kind of page of a book. Yeah, this is pretty creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they said you can get items, pictures, books, journals, papers. There's another one. So, there's that one. Jackie's Ride. This is right here. These are some old pages, like wherever they came from. I can feel like some type of energy too. This is cool. It comes with a card that tells you where all these items. I'll save that for last. Guys, they give you photos. This is a photo of a mother and a son, or two sisters, or a brother and sister. That's insane. But yeah, I can already feel some type of energy. Like, that I should be more careful with this stuff. Because I already dropped a couple items right here. I'll show you those right now. And it's a button. So, this was worn by somebody. This one right here, I think it's another button, different type, maybe. This is way before my time, man. What did I say this was? 97, yeah. So, wow. A fork. Look how old this is. This is like, they don't make these, I don't even think anymore now. This might be a German fork. US, I don't know. Wow. A fork, yeah. Oh man, that is crazy. A fork, y'all. I think that's everything. Oh wait, no, there's some small stuff. Whatever this thing is, I don't even know what this is. Maybe another type of sewing thing. There's more buttons. That might be a button, yeah. What? Looks like an earring, but I don't think it is. If it is, it's plastic. Another button. This was probably worn on a uniform. Some kind of soldier uniform. Wow. Yeah. What is up with this, all these buttons? Dropped another one. Man, I know my house is gonna be haunted. But for real, guys, this is supposed to be real haunted stuff. The only way we can find out is I test them. Yeah, look how old. Yeah, these ones looks like it was from a wedding dress, maybe. Like, this is like, I don't know if that's hair. I hope not. Guys, if you've ever heard the dark web, if you've seen other people open shit from the dark web, they have to find pieces of hair, and I think that's all. Probably one more button. Yep. Maybe not. There's two. Yeah. So, for a haunted items box, they gave you quite a bit, and came to 18 something. Almost 20 bucks. But it was 12 something, but plus tax and shipping. So, whatever this stuff is, guys, let me know if you love this unboxing. I'll do several of these. I love unboxing shit like this. But next time, there'll be a video. I also got to make a review after this, so don't worry. That'll be tomorrow. And then, but right now, I don't know. So here's the postcard. Real Haunted Items, that's the company. These papers and photos came from a 97-year-old historical house in Winter Park, Florida. These are some of the contents of the desk located in the study. Second most active room of the investigation. It came from the same desk as the button tome, along with a series of other pieces of paperwork in both English and German. During the investigation, the team's medium was heavily drawn to the desk and its contents. Wow. So yeah, they're a paranormal team, and they do investigations of abandoned places and haunted places, and they package it up, a bunch of it, and they sell it. So this is literally from the Winter Park house, historical house in Winter Park, wherever. I don't know what house it is, but that is so cool. So guys, this was a house. Maybe, let's see if it's in the picture. Yeah, maybe it's in the background, right there. That looks like the house, maybe. I'm not sure, but I'm already feeling some type of energy, like it's some kind of like it's uncomfortable too. It's like what have you done? You brought us into a strange, household. But yeah, guys, I'll definitely be picking up lots more of these. And see how haunted they are. Hopefully get some great shit out of this. I know, some great content. So if you guys enjoy this video, like, share, comment. I would appreciate with all my heart. I do dig my heart and soul to these videos. That's another reason why sometimes I feel like I'm flopping, but at the end of the day, I'm not quitting. I'm still doing this. Season 2 of Ghost. I hunt.